Oi, you, talk again.
Yeah, how she?
Oh, are the accomplices, eh? And him yourself come rob my phone.
Maureen, I'm not involved in a phone thing, Maureen. Just go on and allow me, man. Go on. No.
Me, never forget a vice.
Oh, go on, let me do it. Maureen, I'm not involved in a phone grabbing thing, Maureen. Just go on, no. Please. Me I beg you, just go on.
Make sure me remember, say, warn you. Warn you.
Used to be my mother.
Oh well, I am just going to have to keep her much too busy to concern herself with that in the time being.
I agree. If she finds out anything remotely that her mother seemed like she gone back to that side of the life, it's gonna break her heart.
Well, I've acceded to her request, reference to Haitian. And it's now her baby, her ball game. You do realize that this is a very slippery slope we're starting now.
I am fully aware, sir. But I think she has grown up. So I think it's time to move her to the next level. Since this is her baby, it's her idea.
Call her in for me.
Tony.
Come around and take a seat, Tony. Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Campbell. Okay. You have 30 minutes in which to make your pitch. Anything more is going to feel like an interrogation. Anything less, you may as well not do it. I'll be watching from here. And if I'm not convinced that he's convinced, then we call it George. Send him back to the center and move on.
Tony, whose file is that?
Just some insurance.
Hear that? Insurance. Our baby is growing up.
May I go now, sir?
Okay, ma'am. You're up. I'll be watching from in here.
So you are who now?
Junior Agent Tony and Campbell.
Agent, you and you look like a little girl?
Criminal, you, and you look like a little boy.
Oh, so that's the one.
Roberto Sims, 19, born in Haiti to Jamaican parents. Recruited at 14, tactically trained, and has been a part of the resistance for 5 years. Came to Jamaica, detained under the anti-gang legislation.
I don't worry about me. So I could hear about you, no?
Mr. Sims,
Mr. Sims. Why did you never address me the way they know?
I address you with respect, so I expect you to do the same to me. I have an offer for you.
I need to hear this.
You're in a juvenile detention center now, right?
Yeah, and
You realize at your age, you could be in a maximum security prison, right? And you could be looking at 15 years minimum.
yeah, so what is your offer?
My offer is work on our side.
Oh, be a snitch.
No, it starts with S, but it's smart.
Incredible.
What?
What kind of fool you think me be? See where me come from? We're not turn.
The only turn me want you turn is your life around.
So why you so interested to me turn my life around?
The agency where me work for, interested in reforming criminals, not lock them away for life.
Me realize I like use the word criminal. By the way, who you call criminal? Me a freedom fighter.
And me, I offer you the freedom for do the right thing.
You sure you're an agent or a politician? Cause it sound like you're selling me a story now.
Let me tell you the story. I'm gonna have it right here, so. Gang member, shooting with intent, murder. Me not seen a freedom fighter, right? So.